Welcome back to Verbs, an academic course. The past continuous is used to talk about actions that were happening in the past. Like the present continuous, it is used with the auxiliary verb to be plus the verb plus ing. To form the past continuous, the auxiliary verb to be plus the verb and ing are used. The auxiliary verb to be is in the past simple, but remember that the verb to be is an irregular verb. For subjects I, he, she, and it, we are going to use the form was. And then the verb, for example, talking, eating, learning, and doing. Now, for subjects you, we, and they, we are going to put it as in where. And then the verbs, talking, eating, learning, etc. The structure for an affirmative sentence in the past continuous will be the subject plus the auxiliary verb to be plus the verb plus ing. Some examples could be I was talking, he was eating, they were learning. The structure for a negative sentence in the past continuous will be the subject plus the auxiliary verb to be plus not plus the verb plus ing. Some examples could be I was not talking or I wasn't talking. He was not eating or he wasn't eating. They were not learning or they weren't learning. The structure for an interrogative sentence in the past continuous would be auxiliary verb to be plus subject plus verb plus ing and then the question mark. And some examples could be were you talking? Was he eating? Were they learning? The past continuous is used to talk about an action that was going on in the past when something else interrupted it. The interrupting action is in the past simple. When and while indicate the use of the past simple and the continuous. In general, we use the past simple after when and the continuous after while. Some examples for this could be Jose called while I was watching the news. He was walking to work when he fell. Was it raining when you left? The past continuous is used to talk about actions at a specific time in the past. Examples for this could be Paula wasn't living in Spain in 2005. We were still working at 10 o'clock last night. The past continuous is also used to talk about two different actions that were going on at the same time. Examples for this could be my son was reading while I was cooking. They were talking very loudly while we were trying to watch the movie. We just learned about the past continuous. Now, next class we are going to learn about an expression also in the past that is used to.